The task that we will be demonstrating is a Piagetian conservation task about liquid conservation. It tests if a child understands the amount of liquid stays the same, even when it's poured into a different shaped container. This task, created by Jean Piaget, helps study how children think and how their reasoning changes as they grow. By asking the child if the amount of liquid has changed, we can see if they can think logically and understand that appearances can be misleading. Conservation of liquid means understanding that the amount of liquid stays the same, even if it's poured into a container of a different shape. This task is important because it shows how children's thinking changes as they grow. Younger kids focus on how things look, like thinking a taller glass has more water because it looks fuller. Older kids understand that the amount of water doesn't change even if it is in a different glass. This helps us see how their brains develop from relying on appearances by using logic and problem solving skills. Good day everyone, I am Michelle A. Caballero. I have here my participant, Pin, and today I will demonstrate Jean Piaget's conservation of liquid task. So, we have here two small size of glass of water and a tall glass of water. So, anibi, natay duha ka baso na unod tubig, parihag unod na tawa. And then, ang isa kay iyabon ako dari. So, asay mas daghan nilang duha. Okay, very good. When I pour the water from a short glass into the tall glass, the child says that the tall glass has more water because it's taller. Based on her response, the child shows she's in the pre-operational stage of Piaget's theory, age 2 to 7-year-old. This happens because the child is focused only on how the liquid looks. The child sees the liquid is higher in the tall glass and assume there is more water without thinking about the actual amount. The child doesn't yet understand conservation, which is the idea that the amount of water stays the same even if it is poured into a different shaped glass. The child thinking in a simple, one-sided way called egocentrism, where the children only consider what they say and don't think about other factors, like the width of the glass. The task shows that younger children rely on how things look, while older children use logic to understand. Some kids understand the idea earlier than others, which shows that children develop at different speeds. The way the child explained her answer earlier helps me see how the child think and understand things. Younger kids often focus on just one thing, like the height of the liquid, which shows they are still learning to think about all parts of a problem. Encountered during the task is maintaining the child's focus and ensuring they fully understand the instructions.